What's the meaning of breaking point? Breaking point. Breaking point.
Breaking point. Breaking point. Breaking point is an idiomatic expression that refers to a situation or threshold beyond which a person or system can no longer cope with or endure. It is a point where psychological or physical strain becomes intolerable and one's ability to cope with the situation breaks down. Often, reaching one's breaking point can lead to drastic changes in behavior or even a breakdown in mental or emotional health. The result of reaching one's breaking point can vary widely depending on the individual and the circumstances involved, but it typically involves some form of extreme stress, emotional distress, burnout, or physical exhaustion.